My name is Riley with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton, Ohio. Here with me today is Princess Leia. She is a 5-year-old golden retriever who just completed our 2-week board and train program. A couple weeks ago, I had the honor of training Leia's sister Georgia because they have a couple issues in the home. The girls each get a little bit jealous when the other one is getting attention. Clearly these girls just love attention and can't get enough of it. So when one gets more than the other gets a little jealous and a fight breaks out. So it was really important to us that not just Georgia, but Leia also has a solid foundation of obedience commands, so that way Leia and Georgia's owners can have as much control over both of them as possible. Leia also had a few issues of her own. Leia's pretty excitable around new people. She also is really jumpy. She likes to jump on you, and weighing in at a whopping 85 pounds, that's a lot to take. So we spent a lot of time working on all those issues as well. Let's check out Leia on day 1 when I first met her.
For my first day working with Leia, I wanted to start out by seeing what she knows. I'm asking Leia to come to me to see how her recall is, and she's mostly coming to me out of excitement, but she runs right past me and is more interested in the smells in my yard. When I ask Leia to sit, she is jumping all over me just like she likes to do. She does actually know what the sit command is, but she's not very stable in it. When I ask Leia to go into a down, she pretends like she has no idea what I'm asking her to do. Here I'm seeing if Leia understands the place command. She does not understand it, but she also doesn't lack a lot of confidence, so place was a really great one for her. Much like her sister Georgia, Leia pulled like an absolute freight train, and with a little bit of extra weight behind her, she was even stronger.
Both of these girls were an absolute joy to train. I had a ton of fun working with both of them, and they both did amazing. I'm super excited to show you guys Leia's progress. Let's check out Leia after just 2 short weeks of training. Baby girl, hey! Thank you.